All right, Axel. So what are we gonna play now?
Hungry, hungry alligators and hippos.
All right, kids. We're gonna play a game. All right, y'all are upside down. They were upside down. We're gonna play a game called Hungry, Hungry Alligator and Hippos. Whoever can collect the most items with their alligators and hippos and load them into the dump truck first wins. Are you ready? Steady. Go! I got a dozer. You got a shovel. Double shovel. Give me that one. I want that one. Give me that one. Give me that one. Oh! No, you can't use your hands. That's cheating. Give me that. I want that. Oh, Mommy's getting the shovel. We got you guys at the last point. Dude! Okay. Oh wait, they're upside down again. Okay, are we all done? Dude, now we gotta see who's the winner. Okay, count the items. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, okay. How many did Mommy get?
Yours.
Oh, me, okay. I got one dozer and a little elephant guy.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
What?
7,
What?
8
Oh,
things.
dude! Mommy won! Oh my goodness.
Let's play again.
You wanna play again? Okay.
But without the
We're gonna
fox.
play again.
I'm stronger though.
Oh, are you? Okay, this time we're gonna have more items. This one right here. Oh, there.
Yeah, I'm stronger.
We're gonna play one more time, kids. Okay? Steady. Go! No, you can't get stuff out of my. That's cheating. Axel, you haven't gotten No.
I got the big one.
I'm gonna get this one. This is the biggest one. No, I want this one. Give it to me. Oh, this is mine. 500 million points. Give me that. Okay. All right, time to divvy up the points. Okay.
I have only 3.
Okay. How many do you have?
3.
3. 3. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mommy has
Hey, no, this game's over. Okay.
3, 4, 5,
6,
6,
7.
8.
Mommy won again. What? Hey, bro. Do you think Mommy won because you and me are messing around fighting each other? While
Yeah.
Mommy's collecting all the spoils? I think
Yep.
so.
I'm focusing on the task at hand.
Look, it's Dozy. It's Dozy. It's all that's left of Dozy. Wow. Dude, he was already broken. Now he's really broken. Don't eat the kids. Spit him out. Spit him out. There you go.
He didn't like him.
He didn't like him.
He's gonna eat
The alligator
this.
didn't like you guys.
wanna
He's gonna eat the dump truck. Dude. My mouth is broken. No. I can still get you. This is Axel's favorite thing in this sand park is these alligator excavators. I'm gonna bite your butt. Ow! That hurt! Get back here! Poor little guy, his mouth got all messed up, didn't it?
Here, this will help it.
That'll help. Aw. He's gonna kiss it and make it better. Look! Axel! Dude! It's Euclid! Kids, we found Euclid! But it does, Axel, do you see a lot of the other trucks around here? I don't either. Somebody must have taken them.
Or they got played with so much.
Oh, here's
that
the
they had to throw
sifter.
it finally.
Oh yeah, right. Maybe. We're gonna fill this truck up here with the alligator excavators. There we go. Scoop it up, alligator excavator.
Oh, this is a lot, right?
Oh, look, the foxes are helping. Oh. Look out, foxes! Look out!
No, alligator, don't
Oh
eat
no!
my fox, brother.
He's eating the fox. Alligator,
have-
get that fox out of
No,
your
you
mouth.
have to make him eat the other one.
Oh, okay. I'm hungry for fox. Yummy.
Yummy.
Oh, he fell out.
Maybe
Come
they're
back.
really.
I don't like it.
You don't like that. Okay. Hey, the foxes can drive the truck, right?
Yes, I can drive.
All right, get in the truck so you can drive it, okay?
Hey, I'll be inside here.
Okay. All right, you guys, whenever the truck's full, you guys drive it to the destination, okay?
And then pour it out.
And then dump it out, yeah. It's a hippopotamus excavator.
Somehow this doesn't seem fair. It just
Let's
doesn't
see you
seem
dump it in.
fair. Hey, Hippo.
There you go, Hippo. Dude, you got a little bit left over in there, Hippo.
And let it eat them.
Let it eat. No, the hippopotamus is trying to eat you guys. No,
No.
the alligator's gonna save the kids. No, don't eat the kids.
I have a bigger mouth than you.
But I have sharp teeth. Did you know a hippopotamus would probably win versus an alligator?
Yeah, I think an alligator would swim away pretty
Yeah, it'd be like, bye, see
It
ya.
was being charged by a hippopotamus.
Yeah, that's true.
Hippopotamus would step right on.
You don't want to fight me.
All right, you guys,
We
we're
have
all
to bring
full.
it to where we
The
are.
foxes need to drive it to the destination. Where's the destination?
Destination's here.
Right here? Already? We didn't go very far. We went a couple inches. That's okay. Sometimes they need to move dirt a couple inches, right? Here, pull it this way. Ready? Okay. There we go.
Let's drive it away.
Drive it away. Shake it out. There we go. Nice. That didn't fall out too easily because this sand's a little bit wet, right? All right, kids. Now the fox is going to go down the slide in the dump truck. Are you ready, Fox? Steady. Go. Woohoo! We're going to have a race between this hippopotamus and that hippopotamus. And inside the hippopotamus's mouth are what? Foxes! Turn around. Okay, are you guys ready?
Ready?
Who's going to win? I don't know.
One.
Steady. Go. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Oh, wait a minute. How do we know whose fox is whose? We don't.
I don't know.
A rubber band. Yes. Okay.
Right around the tail or the neck.
Okay. So, the fox with the rubber band is whose fox?
Mommy.
Mommy's fox. Okay. Mommy's fox has a rubber band, and Axel's fox doesn't. Now we'll know who wins, okay? All right. Fox is ready?
Ready?
Steady. Go. Hey. So whose fox went the farthest? Axel. This is Mommy's fox, and that's Axel's fox. Sorry, Mommy.
It's
It
okay.
didn't win. It's okay. Mommy's a good sport. Next up is the hedgehog with the tutu and the crow on the monster trucks. Are you guys ready?
And there's a
You guys are going to
tower,
race down into the gaping jaws of the hippopotamuses.
and
Are they ready?
Get down.
Steady. Go. Woohoo! Oh! Oh no, the crow escaped, but the hedgehog is eaten. Steady. Go. What? Come here, come here, come here. It's a close one. Come here, look, look, look. Who won? The crow won by a tail feather.
Come here.
Oh, kids, they want you to come closer.
We're going to tell you goodbye.
Okay, coming closer. Oh, no! Bye, kids. You guys get out. Use your imagination to have fun. Whether you're at a park or at home with your trucks, use your imagination and it'll make it so much more fun and interesting. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye, kids.
It's a hippo war. Oh, he's got the excavator.